Is that okay if Ben and
Alex,
what?
tell me what you're doing.
I'm catching crabs. Mommy, could you open it for me? There it is, Mama. There we got it.
Pull it in, Carl.
There we got it, Mama. Mama, there we got it.
Okay, Casey.
No, Sarah. Put it in the water. No! Did you catch one?
Do you see it, Carl?
I got it. He's got one.
Okay, Carl, tell me about your crab.
It's a baby crab.
And you just caught him, your first crab, huh?
Hmm?
You caught 2 crabs.
So, Mama, I can see it. Okay, Mama?
Do you have something, Alex, or is it stuck?
No, he's got one.
Ran in there real quick to ditch the middle one, and he went like that. I was like, whoa.
He's a big crab.
Carl, don't put your fingers in there.
Get it out.
No.
You cut off your finger.
Put it in there. Let's see what they would do.
You
No!
But a
Yes! No!